Toyota Yaris 2022. How to remove the light of the tire pressure. This is the light of the tire indicator. How to remove this? If you see this sign, you need to long press. But you sure you already add the exact tire pressure of your tires? You see this? We need to long press this one. Just long press. See? It's blinking. Remove. It's gone. So that's the exactly how to remove the light of the tire indicator. Thank you. Easy Wiki.